together again. Happy Thanksgiving for everyone. Sorry if this is going to be a late post, but, Matthew, no. But, thank y'all so much for watching our videos. We want to tell you how beautiful and how thankful we are to have you. And you brought our world. So, ready? She was driving last Friday on her way to Cincinnati on a snow like Christmas Eve. Going home to see her mama and her daddy with the baby in the backseat. Let's sing Bruno Mars. Bruno Mars? Let's sing the one. Yeah, okay.